I'm sure you have tried wheat milk drink because it's very common to get in the supermarket, provision shops, and many more. But what maybe you haven't tried before is rice milk drink, guys. Let me share with you how to make this at home. These are the ingredients we are going to use here. I have ginger, cloves, rice, and that's the star of today's recipe. I have banana here, dates, and I've already removed the seeds in it, and also coconut. Next, we are going to toast our rice, and I'll be doing this on medium heat. We are going to stir this continuously till we get a golden brown color, okay? For the rice, there's no specific type of rice for this recipe. Any type of your choice, you can use it. Yes, we are there. This is what we are looking for. So it's ready now. I'll go ahead and then take it off the fire. Transfer this into another bowl. Then I add water to it. I'm using cold water, but before that, allow the rice to cool down so that you can handle it. Okay, now I go ahead, wash the rice. If the rice doesn't cool down, trust me, you cannot wash it. So exercise patience for it to cool down before you add the water. So now I drain the water out and then add water to it again, but this time round we are going to soak our rice for at least 3 hours. So whilst our rice is resting, let's go ahead and dice our coconuts. Our coconut too is ready. Now is past 3 hours already, so let's check on our rice. At this point, it's soft. So we will transfer everything into our blender. I mean everything, including the water too, okay? Do not drain the water out. Then I go ahead, add coconut, the one we just diced. I add date. Remember, we have removed the seeds of the dates, okay? So you have to do that. I add my ginger, add cloves, add my banana. I'm using 4 pieces, okay? Then I cover this and then let's go and blend. So I'll first give it a shot, another one, and then we blend till smooth. Oh la la, it's ready now. So I'll be straining this using my chiffon cloth. You can also use cheesecloth to do this, okay? Before you do this, make sure your hands are clean because you have to squeeze to make sure that you get all the milk out, okay? So make sure your hands are clean before you go ahead and then do this. And we are done here. So with the chaff, please don't throw it away. I'm going to dry my own and then I'll use it to prepare spiced rice pudding. It's already spiced. All you need to do is to dry and then use it to prepare your pudding, and I call it spiced rice pudding. This is ice block. Then I add in my rice milk drink. Oh, guys, it smells so good. Hello there. If you're new here, my name is Mariam. Please help me to grow by subscribing to my channel and also like this video for me. Thank you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to check on your girl. Hello, lovelies. I hope you are not just watching, but you're going to give this recipe of mine a try. This is my recipe and it's super, super perfect. Excellent. It smells so good and yummy too. Now let's have a taste. Yummy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed. Bye bye.